Hello everyone, very sweet morning to all of you. I hope you are in pink of your health. Students, as we have completed the explanation of chapter number 4 of your English MCB, and the chapter was a wonderful gift. So today here I am with a video with the word meaning and the question answer of this chapter. So let's start, students. Here you can see I have started from the word meaning. Some of the word meaning I have written over here, only the small word meanings. So let's see what is it. The first one I have written is except. Okay. So except here means other than. Okay. The second one I have written is very still. Something is very still when it is not moving. So it means without moving. Okay. Third one is sprang up. Sprang up means jumped up suddenly. As you have studied in the chapter also, Benjamin suddenly just jumped when he heard her mother. Okay. Fourth one is alarmed. Alarmed means to get scared. Okay. When you get scared of something, you get alarmed. Okay. The fifth one is overjoyed. Overjoyed means when you became so much happy, very happy. This is a word to express the so much of happiness. Okay, so overjoyed means very happy. Sixth one is several. Several means many. Okay. Seventh one is called on them. Called on them means visited them at their house. As it is given in the text also that the priest has called on them means visited at their house. Okay, these are the word meaning, students, that you have to write in your copy, and after that you need to take a very new page and then you will write the question answer here. This is the first set of the question answer. We are having actually the two sets. Okay, so we'll do the first set first. So let's see, you are going to write the heading in the new page, that answer in brief. Okay, let's see what are the questions. The very first question of this is, when did Benjamin draw a picture of his baby sister? As you know, students, it is given in the book also that Benjamin had drew a picture of his baby sister. So the question is asking when he did so. Okay, so the answer is Benjamin drew a picture of his baby sister when she was asleep in her crib and there was nobody at home. As you know, students, we have studied that Benjamin's mother, she left home for something. She has gone out for something when she said Benjamin to take care of his baby sister, and he was sitting alone there. He started feeling lonely and bored when he saw the face and the little hands of her sister, and he thought of drawing. Okay, so this is the answer I have written. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, what did Benjamin use to draw the picture? When he does not get anything, any color or any paper, so what he did? He found a piece of cardboard and a piece of charcoal to draw the picture of his baby sister. So the answer I have written is, Benjamin used a piece of cardboard and charcoal to draw the picture. Okay, he found the burnt piece of the wood and he drew with the cardboard and the charcoal. Okay, now let's see the next question. The next question is, how did Benjamin's mother first feel when she saw the picture he drew, and what did she do? As you know, students, there was no one in the home when Benjamin drew the picture, and suddenly his mother came and she saw the picture of the baby and she got very overjoyed. She was so surprised to see the beautiful picture that in happiness, in the overjoy, she just hugged her son and she just kissed her in love. Okay, so the answer I have written for this question is, Benjamin's mother felt overjoyed When she saw the picture he drew, and she hugged and kissed him. Okay, she was so happy to see the picture, the beautiful picture of a baby. Okay, it was really unexpected for her, but when she saw, she just forgot everything and she just hugged and kissed his son. Okay, now the fourth question: why did Benjamin's mother worry about the picture he drew? What did she think about it? This is the chapter about this only, that how Benjamin had struggled in the life for drawing and such things. So suddenly when the mother saw the picture, first she got very overjoyed, but at the same time she got very worried. She thought something and she got worried. So this is the question asking that why she got worried and what did she think about it. Okay, so the answer I have written is: Benjamin's mother got worried about the picture he drew, as she thought that had Benjamin done the right thing. Okay, she got worried because she was not able to decide that whether Benjamin had done the right thing or wrong thing. Okay, so she got worried as these things were not allowed for him to do, the creative things. Okay, so she got worried, and she also thought that is it right to stop him from doing such things. Both the things, she was so confused. She was also thinking that whether her son has done the right thing or they are doing something wrong to him by stopping him for doing such things. Okay students, now let's move to the next question of this set. And students, this is the last question. The question asks that who said that Benjamin had a wonderful gift? It is given in the text also students. The priest who came at their home, he was the priest of the church. He said that Benjamin was having a wonderful gift as he had not learned to draw, but he was doing such a tremendous drawing. So this was just a God gift to him. So the priest said that Benjamin had a wonderful gift. So the answer I have written is the priest of the church said so. Okay students, here the first 5 question answers of this chapter is over. There are further more questions in this chapter that we are going to solve in the next video. What you have to do, you need to write these word meaning and these question answers in your fair copy with a very neat handwriting without any spelling mistakes, as you can write very slowly. You do not have to note it down from the board, or so you are going to write in very neat handwriting. Write slowly, take your time while writing, but don't do the spelling mistakes. Okay, we'll meet in the next video with the next question answers. Until that, you know what you have to do. Of course, you need to take care of yourself. Keep smiling, eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you and bye-bye.